Welcome back to BTV's Rick Riley's World, where we look at Rick's vast collection. Last week we looked at a 200 crew cab here at Super Scout Specialist Museum, and we're back with Rick again. Hey Rick, what's going on? What we got here?
Well, this is like John said, another international vehicle from our vehicles. It's up here at the up here in Enid. It's a Super Scouts facility. This is a 68 1000 series. We got this truck about, I don't know, 6-7 years ago. It came out of a collection up in northern Indiana that John had bought several vehicles out of, and I got this off of John. Everything's on it's pretty much original. Paint, chrome. It's a 266 3-speed. 3-speed on the column. Whoever had owned this truck had really taken good care of it for it to be original and held up as good as it has. And the seats are hardly wore in it. It's just a nice original straight old truck. And like I said, we've driven this here quite a bit. It's comfortable to drive.
It's one of the more fun ones to take to the cruise-ins.
Yep. You know, people like the lines of it, and it's something you just don't see at every cruise in. So, see if we can figure out how the hood comes up on this one. So it's 266. It's manual steering, manual brakes.
Was that on the tree?
3 on the tree. And there's something here I'll let John kind of explain it to you.
Yes, here on the firewall it says new plant. So I believe Jim Allen has researched this one a little bit, and it was originally a pilot vehicle for the new plant north of Springfield. So it was one of the first built at the new facility, which is now the Navistar plant today. Makes it kind of a unique vehicle, and the writing on the firewall had survived. Pretty neat.
Yeah, I was lucky enough to get this from John before he figured all that out.
Yeah, I think you owe me about 10 grand.
Yeah.
I'll take it and check.
It'll be in the mail.
Uh-huh.
But
It's fun to drive, isn't it?
oh yeah, I mean, like things like the jack's still in the original place, and it's just unbelievable the stuff that's how it survived the way it is.
We're proud to have that here, Rick.
Well, thank you. I'm glad it's sitting here. If it'd been at home, it'd been in the one of the buildings. Nobody be seeing it, and stuff like this needs to be gotten out and seen, and so people can enjoy them.
So true. Hey, thanks, Rick. We'll see you next time.
Y'all have a good one.